I'm going to make a tapered pipe tap on this surface, on this cylindrical surface. First, make a new plane. Select the front plane and this cylindrical surface. Click OK. Then started a new sketch on the plane 1. Draw a new line. The dimension is 14. Then go over here and choose tapered pipe tap. The size is 1/4. Positions. Choose a 3D sketch, and then point here. The point is on the surface. Then press ESC. Press Ctrl and let these 2 points coincide. Click OK. Choose this. You can see the thread.